Stop.
Are you wondering how some YouTubers are able to get millions of views and subscribers? YTubeology says stop wondering and take a look at the hottest trends that can help you build a YouTube channel that boasts millions of views and subscribers. Whether you're a budding creator or a seasoned pro, these niches are where you want to be. First up, education and tutorials. It's all about sharing knowledge. Whether it's coding, cooking, or photography, teaching skills online has never been more rewarding. Next, let's talk tech. From the latest smartphones to innovative home gadgets, technology reviews and tutorials attract millions of views. Moving on to lifestyle, a personal favorite. It's about connection, from daily vlogs to extravagant travel logs. It's real, it's raw, and it's all about your story. Beauty and fashion enthusiasts, you're up. Makeup transformations, fashion hauls, you name it. If it's about looking good, it's on YouTube. Now, let's game on. Gaming isn't just entertainment, it's a culture. Reviews, playthroughs, live streams, gaming channels are all about keeping the excitement alive. Health and wellness are massive too. From yoga sessions to mental health talks, channels today are all about promoting a healthier, happier you. Who doesn't love food? Cooking channels are sizzling. From gourmet meals to quick snacks, it's all about flavor and fun in the kitchen. And lastly, entertainment and pop culture. This is your go-to for all things movies, celeb gossip, and more. If it's trending, it's here. That's a wrap on today's journey through YouTube's most viral niches of 2024. If you loved any of these, dive in, create, and maybe I'll be featuring you next year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video.